If you want to install Facebook Messenger app on your iPad mini, Air, or Pro, first you're going to open the App Store and just make sure you're logged into your Apple account. Tap on the search icon and simply search for Messenger or Facebook Messenger, whatever you want. In either case, the Messenger app will appear. If you're installing it for the first time, you might get the Get button. Otherwise, if you have downloaded it before, you'll get this downward arrow. Just tap on it. You might be prompted to put down your Apple ID credentials. Just write it down and hit install. Now, once Messenger is installed in your iPad, you can either open it up from here, or you can just go back to your iPad home screen, find Messenger, and then tap on the app icon to launch it. If you already have your Facebook account already installed and logged in, you might be prompted to log into that account. Otherwise, you can just tap on This Isn't Me, and then you're going to put down your Facebook login ID, phone number or email address, and then your Facebook account password, and then hit enter. Just go through some initial prompts as appears on your screen. And that's it. You have just installed Facebook Messenger on your iPad, and you can start chatting, voice or video call with your contacts right away. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.